Welcome back to CAD Institute. In this video, I'm gonna make this helmet design in SolidWorks using some basic features. So let's get started. Start with the new project. Start the sketch on top plane. Select ellipse and draw an ellipse at the origin. Next, draw vertical line from these points. Select these 3 points and make them horizontal. The distance between these points will be 500 mm and this distance will be 400 mm. Select trim entities, select trim to closest. Check this option, keep trimmed entities as construction geometries and trim this line. Okay. Next, go to feature command and select a revolve boss base and select axis of revolution this line. Press OK. We have this first geometry over here. Select front plane and sketch on it. Select convert entities and select this outer edge. Press OK. Next, we will draw a construction line from these 2 points. Next, we will draw a sketch like this. The angle between these 2 lines will be 10 degree and the length of this line will be 90 mm and the distance between these 2 lines will be 185 mm and the angle between these lines will be 160 degrees and the distance between these 2 points will be 35 mm. Okay. Now again draw another construction line here and make another ellipse here starting from these points, something like this. The angle between these 2 lines will be 15 degrees and this distance will be 180 mm. Similarly, this distance will be 390 mm. Okay. And this distance will be 200 mm. Okay. We have completed our sketch and we will go to feature command and select extrude cut throughout all both sides and select these sketches. Okay. We have first look of our helmet design. Next we will select shell command and here the thickness of shell will be 20 mm and select these faces. Check this show preview option. Okay. We have cut through all the helmet. Next we will select a fillet command and the radius of fillet will be 50 mm and select these edges. Press OK. Again select fillet. This time the radius of fillet will be 10 mm and select these inner and outer edges. Similarly inner and outer edge. Press OK. we have completed our geometry, and now we will give appearance to it, give some fine colors to the commands. That's it, we have completed our geometry, and we have designed this helmet in SolidWorks. So I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.